I really wish that years ago I would have figured out that investing is actually not that hard. I think that especially in our community, we have this idea that investing is super complex and we could never figure it out, and we'd have to be looking at charts all day, and it's I'm not the kind of person that should be doing this, right? And honestly, that thought process cost me not only years in terms of investing, but towards my compound interest, towards my wealth accumulation. It's probably going to end up costing me thousands of dollars. And that's one of the big reasons why I'm so passionate about what I do. I want so many people to learn from my mistakes, learn from the successes. Sure, that'd be great, but do as I say, not as I did years ago, So while there are different types of investing, most of the time people are talking about investing in the stock market, aka investing in what's called securities. Securities are those things that you can purchase in the stock market, things that you can be invested into. Here's a chart of some of the most common ones that you've probably heard of. So stocks are individual ownerships of a company. You own a tiny, tiny part of a specific company. When talking about stocks, you've probably heard of high risk, high reward, aka when that one company does really well, hey, you're very well rewarded. But when the company does not do so well, and the reason why so many people have heard of ETFs and index funds is that they offer an easy, accessible, and very affordable way into what's called diversification, aka you don't put all your eggs in one basket. You got a mix, you got a bundle of different companies. You are much more diversified. And then once you know a little bit about securities, you can actually just go for it and become an investor. It's a super easy 4-step process. B for brokerage. So you're going to select the institution where you're going to have your investment account. The most common are probably Charles Schwab, Fidelity, and Vanguard. A, account. So you're going to actually open the type of account you're going to be investing into. Start with retirement, since there are tax advantages to those, like a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA, for example. F for fund the account, aka put money into it. Link your checking account and transfer over $25, $50, $100. And finally, E, execute the trade, meaning, okay, you decide you're going to be investing into the S&P 500. Great. Then look up Charles Schwab S&P 500 Index Fund, and it'll bring up the ticker symbol, which basically is the letters of combination that will bring up that security you want to invest into. Then click buy. If you're still a little bit nervous or about the whole thing, then check out the guide to investing that's in my bio. It's only $9 and breaks all of this down in super chill language. And don't forget, follow along for more money tips.